Bring out your air fryer, friends, because we are making low-carb air fryer broccoli. Now, for the best in low-carb and keto cooking with a bit of Louisiana flair, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button to be notified every time I post a video. I am so excited about this yummy broccoli. The air fryer gives it such a different spin. I'm Shelly with Skinny Louisiana. I teamed up with my friends at SWEPCO to bring you this fabulous recipe, and I shared these recipes with my hundreds of weight loss clients and in my 2 cookbooks, Skinny Louisiana in the Kitchen, Skinny Louisiana in the Slow Cooker, and I want you to stay tuned to the end of the video because I have a surprise for you. And now it's your turn to make this great recipe. 3 ingredients. 3 ingredients is all we need to make this. We have our teaspoon of our Tony's spice and herbs because, gang, you know this is my favorite spice. No carbs, absolutely amazing. Gives it a little bit of flair. We have about 2 teaspoons of our olive oil. We have a head of broccoli, which I already did chop for us. The beautiful thing about this is we just have our air fryer. Now, gang, if you watched our channel in the past, you know I love these air fryer liners. They are perfect because I hate to clean. Comment below if you hate to clean like I do. I want to know. These I got on Amazon. It's a pack of 100 for about $4.99. Such an amazing deal. You should buy these now if you love your air fryer like I do. Couple tips and tricks of putting this together, and I've kind of discovered this along the way. We have our olive oil here, and you notice I have 2 different ones. One of the things that a lot of folks will ask me is, you know, what is my favorite olive oil? I love a good high quality olive oil. I usually shop the stores of Drug Emporium. You know, that's one of my favorite stores. Comment below if you love Drug Emporium. I get mine there. A lot of your cities have their own little specialty olive oil stores, so you can go ahead and grab some there. This is Deep South, and that is a store that's in Houma, my hometown. So comment below if you know exactly where Houma, Louisiana is. Add the spice to the oil, then pour it in. We're gonna give this a little bit of toss. Remember, gang, broccoli is and I'm gonna need a little bit of more of that oil. So yay, hold on for that thought. Try to make sure all the broccoli is coated with that delicious olive oil. Now, some folks will use avocado oil, some folks will use coconut oil. Remember, those are your keto-friendly oils. Keto-friendly vegetable right here. A cup of this has about 3 grams of net carbs or less. Most folks will eat that half a cup for us. And all we do, gang, we're gonna pour this in our air fryer, 360 degrees for 8 minutes. Okay, gang, it's been 8 minutes. This is exactly what air fryer broccoli should look like. It has a beautiful color, and oh my gosh, look at it smoking still. In a low carb keto diet, so many folks are just,
oh my gosh, Shelly, you know, all you do is eat meat, and I just can't do that because all you do is eat butter. That's disgusting.
No, we eat a ton, ladies and gentlemen, of vegetables. My goodness, if we have an air fryer, look at this, friends. It is just, it's a beautiful green. And here's the best part. Let's take a bite. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. Mic drop, ladies and gentlemen. This still has a crazy, amazing crunch. It's beautiful. I'm so carb. Ooh, I just got some Tony's right there. Oh snap, I just got a little spice right there. Super easy, super fast. The entire family's gonna love it. Remember, we added a little bit more oil, so depending on the size of the head of your broccoli, you may need to add a little bit of oil. I'm gonna have some, the flavors are just hitting me. They're so good. Oh my gosh. I'm talking about my mouthful. For a copy of this recipe, all you have to do is go into the descriptions. There's a link. Click the link. It'll download the recipe directly to your inbox so that you'll be able to file it in your recipe book. And to learn how to save more time and energy and money in the kitchen, be sure to visit swepco.com/save. And friends, we absolutely love social share. So if you love this video, take a snapshot, post it on your social media. Be sure to friend Skinny Louisiana on Facebook and tag us in all your entries. And as always, gang, see you later, Gators.